U.S. stocks soaring today. Oil prices falling back. Jobless claims, they fell. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was up the most in 3 months. Deborah Kostroun has the latest from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pimm. Yeah, and the bulls just really kind of running wild today. With the S&P, we only had 25 stocks that were lower, and we really made up for all those big losses that we saw in Tuesday's session. And as we head into Friday's session, our major averages are up for the week. And in fact, what we had today, just a recipe for this higher market and all these gains, as Pimm was talking about, this really good economic news that helped fuel the fire today. That unexpected decrease in jobless claims, in fact, to the lowest level since May of 2008. And we also got that news ahead of tomorrow's jobs report. And traders say that the labor market is definitely improving. And we're getting a picture of the economy that is already strong and possibly gathering even more momentum here. But the big question will be, if we get more than 190,000 jobs created tomorrow in the report, can this market go even higher? Or did we kind of see all these fireworks today ahead of tomorrow's report, Pimm?
All right. Now, Deborah, we saw gains across the board. Financial stocks, healthcare stocks, and industrials. Tell us more.
Yeah, you know, those industrials really leading the gains, because if we're talking about an economy that's recovering, the industrials are some of the first to benefit. So stocks like Caterpillar, that was the biggest gainer in the Dow. Deere and GE doing well. And even retail stocks, retail metrics saying that retail sales rising 4.3% in February. That was better than expected. Some retailers responded to those higher sales, but Big Lots also jumping after reporting earnings that beat estimates. But still, not all the retailers were higher. But of course, it certainly wouldn't be right if we didn't talk about oil. Oil was down today and took the edge off that oil market, and also helping out the stock market. Crude oil down, as you can see, 50 cents there. Back to you in the studio, Pimm.
Amazing. $101 for a barrel of oil, and we think that's a good thing. It was down 0.5%. Thank you very much, Deborah Kostroun, reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.